Hey guys, what's up? Today we will show how to retouch skin in Photoshop. Let's start. In the Photoshop I open an image you can see. Go to Layer option and select Duplicate Layer. Select and unlock layer. Then select Spot Healing Brush tool. Simply paint on spot area. After finishing you can see before and after. You can see rash on the face. Let's go to second step. Select layer and make it duplicate. We will do this 2 times. After doing that, select the top layer, right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. Again select the lower layer and do it again. Now, turn off the top layer and select the third layer. Go to Filter option and select Gaussian Blur. Make blur radius 15%. After that, turn on first layer button and select blending mode normal to vivid light. Then go again filter and select other, then select high pass. Make it radius volume 1.5% and hit OK. Select top 2 layer and create a group of layer. You can see before and after. After that, select group layer and click Alt plus layer mask. Then select foreground color. Make sure it white. After that, select Soft Brush tool. Make sure hardness 0. Brush opacity will be 100%. After that, simply paint on face. That's awesome. In the neck and body, brush opacity 70% you can use as your requirement. After that, you can select 2 edited layers and press Ctrl+E. For merge layer, you can see before and after. Then finally select filter and camera raw filter. You can change every volume as your requirement, like exposure, white, texture, and other. If you are satisfied, then hit OK. Finally, here is before and after. Thanks for watching.